Tùng.
Hello teacher.
How are you today?
Wonderful.
Good job. Now, how old are you?
I'm 7 years old.
Very good. And you look at this one. What is this?
This is a rooster.
And what is the rooster doing?
The rooster is singing.
Yes. Now you look at this one. What is this?
This is a cow.
And what is the cow doing?
The cow is eating.
Yes. One more. Okay. What is this?
This is a cat.
What is the cat doing?
The cat is sleeping.
You are very good. Now what is this letter?
Letter M and the sound is
Very good. And you can read this one.
Monkey.
Yes.
Camel.
Yes.
Animal.
Excellent. And what is this letter?
Letter D and the sound is D.
Yes. Now let's say D.
Dinosaur.
Yes.
Duck. Dog.
Okay. Say it again. Duck.
Duck.
Excellent. Now letter.
Letter Z and the sound is
Yes. Z.
Zoo.
Z.
Zebra.
Z.
Zero.
Excellent. Now what is this?
This is a buffalo.
What can a buffalo do? What can a buffalo do? Yes. Yeah. No. No.
The buffalo keep running.
Now say again. The buffalo can run.
The buffalo
Can.
can run.
Okay. Can you run?
Yeah.
Stand up and run. Good boy. Okay. Now what is this?
This is a fish.
What can the fish do?
Swim.
Okay. The fish. Say again. The fish can swim.
The fish can swim.
Can you swim? Yes or no?
Yeah.
Okay. Stand up and swim. And say I can.
I can swim.
Good job. Sit down. Okay. Now what is this?
This is a snake.
Yes. And how many snakes do you see?
10.
10. Can you count? Count. 1.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Now say it again. Don't say 8. Say again. 8.
8.
Yes. One more. One more. What is this?
This is a bird.
And how many birds do you see? Count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8,
How many birds?
8 birds.
Excellent. That's right. Okay. Now, what do you see?
This is
I see.
I see a monkey.
Okay, you can sit down. Still sit down. Now, what is the monkey doing? What is the monkey doing?
The monkey is playing with tiger.
Yes, the monkey is playing. Say again.
Playing
With.
with the tiger.
Good job. What do you see?
This is a snake.
And what is the snake doing?
The snake is down
Dancing.
dancing.
Can you dance? Very good. Okay. And what do you see?
This is a kangaroo.
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 Okay, what is the kangaroo doing?
The kangaroo is eating.
Yes, good girl, good boy. Now, what is this?
This is a giraffe.
What color is the giraffe?
The giraffe yellow.
Is yellow.
Is yellow.
Good job. This one, what is this?
This is a turtle.
And what color is the turtle?
Is green.
Is green. Very good. this?
This is a hippo.
And what color is the hippo?
The hip is purple.
Good job. Goodbye. Say goodbye teacher.
Bye.